Stuck making 18.9-liter PET bottles? Slow? Scrap high? Energy costs eating profits? Meet the Rigit RM2-1000 linear blow molder, engineered for jumbo PET bottles. Revolutionary air system solves. Weak airflow gives high power precision. Massive EMI Norgren valve equals instant. Powerful air for fast 360 grams preform inflation. Inconsistent walls gives perfect bottles. Proportional electronic control equals flawless. Uniform walls. Zero dents. Bursts. High energy bills gives smart savings. 70% air recovery equals slashed energy use. Rock solid foundation. SMC and Norgren valves ensure stable, consistent base airflow. Your results: max uptime and speed, near zero scrap. Significant cost savings, plug-play integration. Don't upgrade parts, upgrade production. Rigit RM2-1000. Stability plus power plus efficiency equals perfect 18.9-liter bottles. Breakthrough in production now. Contact us for your jumbo PET bottle solution.